What's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is on this super easy glueless wig install. This is one of the most natural wigs that I've seen and that I've had. I love kinky straight textures. It mimics the natural hair so well. This unit is from IDNhair. I've worked with this company several times and the quality is always good. I'm never disappointed every time I get a wig from them. So this unit is a ventilated unit, so it's perfect for the summertime. You can get your scalp to breathe. You can get the comb in there to scratch. I mean, it is everything. This is very summertime friendly. It's a ventilated unit. You can get your comb in there, your scalp can breathe, everything. You have access to your braids, or if you don't like to wear braids, you have access to your bun. This is a closure 5x5 closure unit. The lace comes ready to wear, pre-plugged, pre-cut. The lace is actually tinted to your shade as you choose, and it also comes with a bunch of things in the box that help you for a good install. It came with 3 different shades of scalp tape is what they call it, and you put that on the inside of the closure to mimic your scalp, and you won't have to put makeup or have to do a serious bald cap with this type of product. You guys are going to see me actually install this product on the wig. I did go through and flat iron this just for that silk press look. I didn't do super small sections, so it was like super straight. I just wanted to press it out due to the fact that it was bunched up in the box. The knots do come pre-bleached. This is a 10-inch 180% density wig, and it also comes with the natural 4C edges. The wig is like a natural brown color. If you guys want a discount code, you're gonna get $20 off if you use my code Alicia20. So yeah, everything on this wig is super easy, ready to go straight out of the box. There's no reason why you should have to do anything other than style it and freshen up the style. I am going to show you guys 2 different styles that I'm going to do, one with the middle part and one with the side part, just showing you the versatility of the closure and how you can part it. Just pressing through the wig, and then we're going to get into the install. I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys how to use the scalp tape so you can see that portion after I get done flat ironing the hair. There is no product inside of this before I flat ironed it.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Niggas say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. No, just a new one. You be my soldier.
So I decided to use the medium shade of the scalp tape, and you're gonna want to put this directly where your part is going to be. This is literally just a big sticker, and because it's so big, I decided to cut it where the leftover tape was at, and I put it in the middle as well because I knew that I was going to want to do a middle and a side part, so you won't have to redo this every single time you want to change it up. But yeah, so I put one on the side and then one in the middle where the parting space would be, and that was it. That's all you have to do. So when you go to part your wig, there is no indication of where the cap starts or where the cap ends. You're just gonna see one natural parting space as if you would on your head. They go ahead and put a wig cap on. This is the HD wig cap that came in the box, and they also sent a wig grip, so I did put this on as well. And then I went directly in with my unit, and you guys are gonna see me install this. If y'all have any questions, leave them down in my comment section down below, and let's get into this install. It's going to be simple, easy, very straight to the point. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
No limit, baby. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me. Yeah, no limit, baby.
What you're seeing is me using a wax stick. And one of my past videos, I said I don't like using wax sticks, and I had to eat my words. I am always doing that. I will stop using something for so long and then I'll start using it again. So yes, I have been using my wax stick lately, and I'm just sectioning the closure in small sections, putting my wax stick on and hot combing it. This is going to get your wig nice and flat. And it's going to keep your install looking as natural as possible. And the little line of demarcation that y'all are seeing in that parting space is where that wig grip is at. You do not have to wear one of those. That is optional. I decided to use all of the things that came in the box just so you guys could see how everything worked and what the purpose was for. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what that was for. Anything that you see me using, products, hot tools, anything will be listed in my Amazon storefront, and you can find that in my description box or at the top of my main channel's page.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of.